Great day to all. So here is my honest review regarding the robot vacuum cleaner, which the brand is Stirling that I bought from Lazada. Okay, so it is a review. Okay, I purchased it through online through Lazada, a very good seller, the E1 Athena shop. I ordered it last February 28th of the year. It was delivered on March 2, 2020, and the amount it is on sale at amounting to 4,750 plus 299 shipping fee, and I got a 200 peso discount, so the total amount was 4,849. And today, after more than a month, I made the review of my purchase. Okay. So here are the features. So thus it takes a schedule. Yeah, I scheduled it that it will clean every 6 o'clock in the morning. Uh, it is a 7-day schedule, but I have it pressed for a day, so it cleans from Tuesday to Sunday, and it doesn't clean by Monday. Yeah, it cleans well, but of course it has its limitations. Okay, it cannot really reach the angles. Okay, but does cleans well. It does the job. Okay, it has the feature of wet mapping, and I've tried it, but I rarely use it because it's for me. It's my personal take that I do the mapping later on. Okay, uh, and it is remote controlled and it's fun. You can control it remotely, so it has a very good uh, response to the remote control challenges. Of course, unlike the the other brands that's quite pricey, it's very expensive. It can have online applications, voice to Wi-Fi, that those stuff. No, it doesn't. Okay, but for its price, it's worth it. Weaknesses, yeah, cables and rags are its weaknesses. It tends to get tangled with cables or pulls the rags. It has, and even uh, tight spaces. It can get caught on the legs of the chairs, and it gets stuck in there. That's those and those are problems. Okay, challenges for this particular vacuum cleaner. And if ever it may bang, so whenever we're sleeping and it it really makes a bang, especially if it hits uh, dark objects. The sensor may seem to be more sensitive on lighter objects, but if it is dark objects, then that would be a challenge. Anyways, overall, it is very good.
The unboxing of Stirling
So
Robot
this is the
Vacuum
unboxing.
Cleaner that I just ordered online. We'll see if this works out.
Okay. See, that's it. I received it with bubble wrap in very good. It was
So
opening
it
it.
came in with the double layers of bubble wrap. So this is what I ordered. A robot vacuum cleaner with intelligent water tank, Stirling from Australia. Okay, we'll just continue opening it. So as you stay inside, it comes with an instruction manual. So it was from Australia. So it comes with the map.
Those
The
are
map
spare maps.
comes with the remote control, extra filter, softener, Voila, the vacuum with the water tank and the dustbin. Okay, so here's the vacuum. So this is how the upper uh, topmost area of the vacuum looks like. It's quite heavy. And this is the bottom. Okay, the charging port. Okay, where the so these are just extra dustbins and extra water because it already contains the water, and here is the charger that will be connected here, and these are extra, okay, brushes. Okay. So look, inspecting it, I'll pull it up. There it is. Okay, I think this is the water tank,
That's the water tank. That's the dustbin. Okay.
and with the dustbin and the filter. So this is the dustbin. Okay, let's see how it will work.
So that's the inside of the manual. So with all the parts that are listed, the parts are listed in there.
That together really are strong. So for self-charging.
This is how the machine self-charge. Okay, so it's quite big. My our tiles is uh, 16 by 16 inches. See how it bounce on dark surfaces, cannot the sensor cannot recognize it. So
Working with the gun.
two I have two cheap ones. Actually, I had three. The cheapest is just a crap. It didn't last a month. But I had the one that cost less than 1,000. I think I bought it at 800. Then it's just a waste of money. Then the Bowie and the other one is the 1,000 plus one. It ranges from 1,000 to 1,003, and they work fine. Such this video shows that how it self-charge. So there are, though I have my initial cheaper versions of vacuum cleaner. The one that is the oldest. It works well. It's at least more than 6 months. The two are more than 6 months vacuum cleaners. So that's my review. That's my honest review. Lazada as an application, it's really convenient. I gave it a 5 stars. Okay, ease of doing business through credit cards, CODs. I gave it a 5 star. For the Stirling Robot Vacuum Cleaner, it's made from Australia. For this price, it is very fair and it's very good. It's very affordable, a little bit pricey for me, but comparing it with the other ones, it is really cheap. Okay, and it does the job. Okay, so I really don't have to clean it very well. The house now, I don't have to to use the broom because it does the job. I just have to prepare the area for cleaning. So I just remove the rugs, okay, fix the tables, and fix the chairs, okay, close those areas that can make the can trap the vacuum cleaner because sometimes it goes under the bed, and under the bed there are plastics and it really will suck the plastic, and I do maintain it. I have to usually look at the wheels, okay, because there will be hairs that will be tangled in there, even in the brushes. At least I clean and clean it, the vacuum, at least once a week. It really sucks a lot of dirt. And for the seller, it's Iwan at in a shop. It's a few seller in one of the sellers in the Lazada that does good business. Initially, I had really had a challenge with the vacuum, and the seller uh, did the extra mile in servicing the after sales. So, and both for the vacuum cleaner and the seller, I also give 5 stars. So that's it, folks. That's my honest review regarding the Stirling vacuum cleaner that I bought. So again, please share this video if you find it very useful, and click subscribe, the thumbs up, and the notification button for more videos to come. And thank you. Have a great day.